So I just got sent a wooden dock for my iPhone, glasses, Apple Watch, AirPods, pens, whatever accessories needed. But this is a rad dock. Reached out to the brand. They sent me a sample for review and I'm really loving this thing. There is a little bit of setup. It comes with several screws, I think 4 or 5, and a screwdriver. It's easy, but before you buy, you are gonna have to set it up. Okay, so here's the final product. Got the iPhone stand here. Down here, I put my AirPods, and this is the remote control to the fan in my studio. Glasses, watch, this is a little accessory for when I film videos. This attaches to my iPhone. Got the pen. Dude, but this thing is surprisingly very, very sturdy. So this is what the back looks like. Oh, and I forgot to mention too that there's a hole right here so that you can charge your phone directly when it's on this stand, which is great. I didn't see that at first, and that's an awesome feature. I'm gonna do a little video of how I built it. I'll speed that up because it is long.